How do you define the sound of nuclear? आपके हिसाब से nuclear की sound क्या है?
जैसे मैं like the south of India is very fascinating for me. Their language, they're very proud of it. Their skin color, they're very, very proud of it.
Yes.
They have a belly and they're very proud of it.
The culture.
Their culture, they're very, very proud of it. Their food, their colors, their everything, they're very proud of it. And you can sense it. When you see it in cinema, you can sense it. Vijay Sethupathi is a goosebumps आते हैं मैं उसको screen पे देखता हूँ तो, you know. You eat the food, it's authentic. Their emotions in every field of art that they do, it's authentic, you know. That feeling of being proud of who you are is what I really, really enjoy. So when I take elements from these places, I use them very proudly. And I mix them in my way. Why do I mix them in my way? क्योंकि मेरा गाना है, मैं कैसे बना सकता हूँ, मेरा जैसा दिलाएगा मैं वैसा बनाऊंगा. But it has to be unique. Because it has to match the emotion that I am seeing. It has to match with the experience that I have.
True.
So sounds, because I'm born here, it's all around me. I have seen it in detail. I have witnessed the emotion. I know what that beat's gonna do to me. I know what Nadaswaram's gonna do to me. I understand that. Ramsay Brothers की सारी पिक्चरें देखी है मैंने. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. That was the reason why Bhayanak Atma happened. You know, the translation has to happen. The emotion has to be the same. I'm not giving you a straight answer because there is no straight answer.
These are all your influences.
Yeah, I'm trying to be as honest in making myself feel awesome in the process of making music. घोटाला नहीं करना. फिर वो कैसा होता है ना कि मैंने गाना बनाया, फिर मैं किसी को सुना रहा हूँ, बोल रहा है ब्रो इसके अंदर से स्नेयर निकाल दे, इसके अंदर ये डाल दे, ये वोकल ठीक नहीं लग रही है तो वाली वोकल डाल दे. फिर जब वो मिश्रण खत्म होके जब गाना तैयार होता है ना, उससे कोई रिलेट नहीं करता. ये क्या ही बन गया है.
आत्मा हिल जाती है.
Yeah. So at least somebody should have fun. So I choose myself.
And what is your process of making a song? How do you make a song?
It's a story. Some story I want to say. Whatever the story is. Like for example, we were today discussing that I want to make a song about Nag Panchami. You know, and I want to narrate a story. It's very bizarre right now, but if you see it from my perspective, it will make sense. It's a story between a male snake and a female snake.
Okay.
And how it progresses into a song. It's from the lens of a documentary maker, what he's seeing, and then that progresses into a song. So there's a story to it. Now my job is कि मैंने आपको बता तो दिया, अब ये जितने लोग सुन रहे हैं वो मेरे नजरिए से देख नहीं सकते, तो अभी bizarre लगेगा.
Correct.
But Bhayanak Atma was also bizarre. But when you put it all together, then it makes sense.
आप अपने गानों के थ्रू ऑडियंस को क्या मैसेज डीप इनसाइड देना चाहते हो, जो भी आप क्रिएटिव काम करते हो एक्चुअली?
मैं कोई मैसेज नहीं देना चाहता. ये 2-3 गाने मैंने बीच में किए थे बिकॉज इमोशनली आई वाज इन अ डिफरेंट स्टेट. भयानक आत्मा से क्या ही मैसेज दे सकूंगा मैं. इससे क्या ही मैसेज दूंगा मैं. वो तो मैंने अपने लिए बनाया. मैं म्यूजिक अपने लिए ही बनाता हूँ. मैं किसी के और के लिए म्यूजिक बनाता भी नहीं. आई एम वेरी सेल्फिश दैट वे. I don't want to make music for anyone else. I only want to make music for myself. If you like it, that's awesome. But if you don't like it, I actually don't give up.
Maybe you are saying indirectly, without even knowing, that I am chilling, having a good time, you have a good time.
हाँ, आपको म्यूजिक पसंद आया, आप आइए, नाचिए, टिकट खरीदिए. आपको नहीं पसंद आया, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. There are 1000 other artists that you can go and listen to. I am not sending any message to anyone. I am telling a story. With each and every song of mine, I'm telling a story. I want that story to be told in the most beautiful way. That's it. That's my job. Once the story is told, whether you like the story or don't like the story, मैं क्या ही उखाड़ सकता हूँ, वो तो आपके कंट्रोल में, मेरे कंट्रोल में तो है नहीं. मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आया था, तो मैंने तो बना दी. That's where it ends also. I don't think I want to give any message also. ये जोगी गाना मैंने बनाया था, वो that is linked with my life to a certain degree. The one that is going to come out soon with Osho, that's also linked with my life a little bit. But my job is done. If they like it, that's great. If they don't like it, it's all right.
मेरे ख्याल से जो आप सोच रहे हो वो लोगों को बिना प्रेशराइज हुए समझ में आना,
Yeah.
बिना मेहनत के समझ में आना, that's टू सिंपली से दैट आपके पास एक कहानी है,
Yeah.
आप म्यूजिक के थ्रू अपनी कहानी को बताते हो. That's what every song means to you.
Yes, sir.